So now we click on installation over here on the left. Then we click New SQL Server Standalone Installation or Add Features to an Existing Installation. So it's the free edition developer. Next. Then read this license, and then if you agree, click here. I accept the license terms. So next one then is click next here. And the one we select here is Database Engine Services. So click next then. So we pick default instance, leave that. And then do next. So we'll do next on this one as well. Windows authentication mode, that's fine. Now we need to add current user to as being the SQL Server administrator. Next. It's ready to install. So now you click on install.